Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's definitely been a while since I've uploaded. I just wanted to say thank you to those of you who are watching that have been subbed to me over the years. Now, the way I left things here was basically that if I came across opportunities that I really resonated with, then I'd share them. And honestly, since the last opportunity I made videos on, I just haven't seen too many opportunities that I felt worth bringing to you. You know, I didn't want to be making content just for the sake of it. I wanted to make sure that if I did come back, I'd be sharing things that I could stand behind. And now I'm excited to say that I've got some things you'll really find valuable. For anyone new here, my name is Marissa, and for my longtime subscribers, you know that I used to promote affiliate marketing programs, especially in the BizOp niche. You know, basically sharing ways for people to make some extra money or even start their own online business. Let me just say this here, you know, that is still a part of what this channel is about. I just have more of a refined focus going forward. If I come across solid affiliate marketing programs that I feel have great products, you know, services, up-to-date training, strong compensation plans, I'll absolutely be sharing those here. You know, if you feel you're in a solid opportunity right now, feel free to share them in the comments, so I can take a look at them, because as of right now, I'm not in any main affiliate marketing program, but I am keeping my eye out for sure. With all the new technology that's come out over the last 3 to 5 years, I'm going to be showing you more tool-based content and fresh marketing strategies to help you break through in having a successful online business. I'm going to be going over things like how to use AI for business and marketing, how to get over limiting beliefs that could be holding you back, and finding the best courses or mentors that can change your life. I want this channel to not just give you opportunities, but to give you the right practical skills and resources to make the most of them. And that starts right now. You're gonna see a series of tutorials that I'm releasing on an amazing website builder that single-handedly inspired me to make videos again. A little over a month ago, I was doing research and brainstorming on getting a blog started, and that's when I discovered Carrd. It's a simple yet powerful website builder that lets you create one-page sites, things like portfolios, business landing pages, link in bio sites, or really anything you can imagine, without breaking the bank or spending a ton of time learning to use. So let's talk about Carrd and why I chose to make videos on this tool to kick things off. When I first tried it, what stood out to me was how straightforward it was. Whether I used one of their templates or started to make a site from scratch, it immediately felt like I could actually build a beautiful, high-converting site in just about any niche. Then came the price. This is what honestly has sealed the deal for me. Carrd has 4 levels. There's a free level, Pro Lite, Pro Standard, and Pro Plus. Depending on the type of site you need, the free level might be all you need, which is amazing. But then the upgraded level prices are what blew me away. Their Pro plan is only $20 a year. Yeah, not per month, per year. I literally had to read that a couple times to make sure I wasn't seeing things. I know there's a lot of website builders out there, but I don't know every single one of them. But with the current information I have on the big ones that we all know, like Wix, Shopify, Squarespace, you're not going to be paying, $20 a year for them. I mean, maybe a month, you'll be doing that. And actually, I think for instance, for Wix, I think their basic plan is $30 or $40 a month or something like that. I know with Wix, for their very base level, it's $17 a month, and I believe you can only make 1 website. With Carrd, you can make up to 3 free websites. And then Carrd has their Pro Plus plan, which starts at $50 a year. And I have the ability to make up to 25 sites. And then if you need to go another level higher, I think it's $89 or something like that, to make 50 sites. At that point, when I saw that, my mind kind of exploded because I realized how easy would it be to use Carrd not only for your own projects but also to create sites for people or local businesses are around you. Imagine being able to charge 200, 300 or more per site when your overhead is only 20 to 50 bucks a year. I mean, that's like a crazy opportunity. And when I did a little bit of digging on Carrd, I found that within like the Carrd like community, a lot of people do that. They're either making like really amazing like website templates people can just straight up buy and use, or they're making websites for clients. I mean, that's a big opportunity that you've probably heard people talk about. You've heard of like social media marketing agencies, maybe, where you run and you manage, businesses, social media, platforms. Well, a lot of agencies also will provide, businesses with websites, whether it's like updating a website or just creating a new one if a business doesn't have one. I made a couple of sites for some family members, and that's when I was realizing how powerful all of this was. On top of that, Carrd gives you so much flexibility to design almost any kind of site you can think of. All you really need is a little creativity and the know-how. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in the tutorials I'll be making. How to get the most out of Carrd so you can build sites that look amazing and convert. Because that's the main part of having a website, is to get sales. If you want to try Carrd for yourself, I've got my affiliate link down in the description. It's the first link on the first line of my description below right now. Definitely check that out. So just to recap, here's what you can expect from me moving forward. I'll be sharing tutorials, walkthroughs, and tips on tools like Carrd and other platforms that can help you build your online presence. I'll also be covering things like how to use AI in your business. And yes, if I do come across affiliate marketing programs that I truly believe in, with good products, training, compensation, things like that, I'll be sharing those here as well. So you can plug in and get on the path to making extra money so that you're able to move closer to living a financially free life. This is, at the end of the day, what everybody is trying to do more than ever before. People are trying to move closer to having a financially free life, whether they keep the 9-to-5 job they have or not. So if all of that sounds good to you, stick around and let me know in the comments what types of sites you would love to build with Carrd. Is it, a personal brand site? Is it a landing page for a business? Or maybe, something for a side hustle? I'd love to hear your ideas. I'm really excited to be back and can't wait to share this next chapter with you. If you're ready to start building something online, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming tutorials, and check out my Carrd link in the description if you want to jump in and start creating right away. Thanks again for being here.